Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 37 is in the pipe network shown in the figure, all pipes have the same cross section and can be assumed to have same friction factor. The pipe connecting W, N and S with joint J have an equal length N. The pipe connecting J and E has a length 10 m. The pressure at the ends N, E and S are equal. The flow rate in the pipe connecting W and J is Q. Assume that the fluid flow is steady, incompressible and pressure losses at the pipe entrance and junction are negligible. Consider the following statement. 1. The flow rate in pipe connecting J and E is Q by 21. 2. The pressure difference between J and N is equal to pressure difference between J and E. Which one of the following options is correct? So this is the pipe network. This is point W, this is N, this is S, this is E and this is J. This length is L, this length is L, this length is L and this length is 10 m. Option A, 1 is true and 2 is false. Option B, 1 is false and 2 is true. Option C, both 1 and 2 are true. And option D, both 1 and 2 are false. So here as pressure at N, E and S, these are the outlet points N, E and S are same. So and the pressure at J will also be some value. So the difference of pressure between J and E and J and N would be same. So second statement is correct. The pressure difference between J and N and J and E is same because pressure is same here and here, and at point J it will have some pressure. So difference between J and N and difference between J and E would be same. So second statement is correct. And now from continuity equation we have QWJ will be equal to QJN plus QJE plus QJS because this is the inlet point and these are the exit points. Okay, so these statements, so this is a continuity equation. Suppose VWJ is the velocity in pipe WJ, and similarly VJN, VJE, VJS are the velocities in pipe JN, JE and JS. And as the area of cross section is same for all the pipes, so A is the area of cross section that will cancel out. Suppose this VWJ is V. So now this equation will become V is equal to VJN plus VJE plus VJS. So this is equation number 1. So now as length of Jn and Js is same and the pressure difference between N and J and J and S is also same. So velocity in pipe J, S and J, N would be same because the velocity is given by this. So HF is the friction head loss in these pipes. As length is same, so head loss in these pipes will be same. So head loss is same. So and length is same. So velocity will also be same. Both that velocity is V1. So head loss is given by del P by rho G, and this is the formula for this because there is only friction losses. So we can take this as 4FL V1 square by d2G, where 4F is friction vector, that is same, del P is same, rho is same, G is same, D is same. So we can say V1 square or velocity in J and Js square is directly equal to 1 by or V1 is 1 by root L. Similarly, here the pressure difference is also same. it is diameter is same but length is different. So here the velocity will be different and velocity will be inversely proportional to root 10n, or it is equal to 1 by root 10n. So Vje by V1 will be equal to 1 by root 10 from this and this, or Vj is V1 by root 10. So now this Vjn and Vjs is V1. So this will be 2V1 and this will be here V1 by root 10. So that from this we can find out V1. So V1 comes out as V by 2 plus 1 by root 10, or we can say it is root 10 V by root 20 plus 1. So V1 is velocity in Jn, and velocity in Je will be multiplied by 1 by root 10. So that will be equal to V by root 20 plus 1. Okay. So V is velocity in Wg plus. And if you want to find out the discharge in Qj, so then it will be multiplied by area. So and Vj is this V by root 20 plus 1. So it is Va divided by root 20 plus 1, and Va is actual incoming discharge or incoming flow. So it is Q by root 20 plus 1. So statement 1 is given as, that is the flow rate in pipe Je is Q by 21. That is wrong, that is root 20 plus 1. So statement 1 is not true and statement 2 is true. It means statement 1 is false and 2 is true.